American senators are benefiting a lot from this war. It's not a war, it's a conducive war. War is a lucrative business in the Western world. We do not hate Western people. We hate your leaders. We hate your Western leaders. They should join the gay communities. They should wear those bangles and join the gay communities. I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart American university students for standing against their governments, their Western leaders. Rafah, said to seize Rafah is gone. Muhammad Ijab, I have a message for you. I watched your interview with Piers Morgan. Spit on the idea faces. Spit on the face of Satan Yahoo, their leaders, their parliament candidate. They teach their children to hate Palestinians, to hate Muslims. Teach your children Muslim world. Teach your children to hate Zionists. Teach them. Heads off to the American universities. California, Harvard University, Columbia University, Yale University, Michigan University, heads off to you. Muslim students should have done this, but the Americans have done it. Thank you very much to those wonderful students. Heads off to you. Salute to you guys. Your governments, I think they're totally they should join the gay communities. They should wear those bangles and join the gay communities. Your students, they know that the government is supporting the Israeli hooligans, the Zionists, and these Zionists are supporting your senators. I don't call them senators, they're janitors. Heads off to you guys for standing against the aggression of the Israelis, the Zionists. Heads off to you. Rafah, said to seize Rafah is gone. Totally occupied, controlled by the Israeli Zionists, supported by the Americans in the Western world. Very sad, very sad. No Muslim countries have supported our Palestinian brothers and sisters. So I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart the American university students for standing against their governments, their Western leaders, and those Western leaders must wear bangles. Muhammad Ijab, I have a message for you. I watched your interview with Piers Morgan, and you're being too apologetic. What Hamas did was right because they stole their land. Don't be apologetic. Those Zionists, they have even martyred, slaughtered their own prophets. Don't be apologetic. Spit on the idea faces. Spit on the face of Satan Yahoo, their leaders, their parliament candidate. They teach their children to hate Palestinians, to hate Muslims. Teach your children Muslim world. Teach your children to hate Zionists. Teach them. They are not human beings. Zionists are worse than pigs. Thank you very much. The American universities standing against the Israeli aggression and against your own government. Thank you very much. Rafah, you're always in our heart. Very sad to see what happened in Rafah. Palestinians are being slaughtered in Rafah. We do not hate Western people. We hate your leaders. We hate your Western leaders. Lobbyists is benefiting a lot from this war. American senators are benefiting a lot from this war. It's not a war, it's a conducive war. War is a lucrative business in the Western world. American Congress senators or janitors, they support. That's why the American universities stood against you. Spit on the faces of all those leaders, especially Netanyahu. The way you slaughter those Muslims or our brothers in Palestine, we will not forget it. We will never ever forget it. Thank you very much, the American universities. Long live Islam, and long live the American universities. We do not hate the Americans, but we hate your leaders and your Congress. Thank you very much. Long live Islam.